Yo, podcast, what up? In this episode, I talk about different products and apps that didn't exist in 2007. Be sure to hit me up on Twitter at csnakedoc13 and my team at the Daily Social Podcast on Twitter. Hope you guys enjoy the podcast. What's up, guys? Just really pumped and fired up for this podcast. Just want to talk to you guys for a quick minute about some products that really didn't exist in 2007, 2008. Uh, Spotify really didn't exist in 2007. Pinterest, Snapchat wasn't really coming along that much. Neither was now. The platform was now starting. Airbnb was also now starting in 2007. There were some. There were also some there were also some other platforms that were starting. Uh, Tesla was now starting. Uber was now coming up. 4G, which is what we use today, was now coming into play in 2007. Beats were now available for you to listen to, and Android, the platform that most people use today, um, and also the iPad from Apple. That was also a thing, as we call it today. And social media was also now coming into play as well. Whoa. And there were also Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram coming into play in 2007 as well. So, and the reason why I say this is because of like they're the they're the biggest success stories of today because they were thought of in 2007. And they were thought of in 2007. So I'm gonna leave a link for Business Insider. You guys can tweet me at csnakedoc13 and my team at the Daily Social Podcast with your biggest takeaways. Would love to use this as an opportunity to engage with some of you that are listening to podcasts now. But Airbnb, which is a rental service for hotels, homes, and everything like that, was now coming into existence in 2007. So, and I didn't even know about this stuff in 2007. But if you guys are listening to us for the first time, feel free to subscribe to us on Apple, Google Podcasts, or wherever you guys get your podcasts. And Slack, which is now what Anchor uses to get with the community now. That wasn't in existence. That's for like team management, team building, and just communication in general. That was now coming into play as well. The Tesla franchise, which is owned by Elon Musk, that wasn't even a thing until 2007 and after, to where it was now a franchise, and most people drive electric cars now. So that was it is now a thing uh because of Elon Musk's idea to build a franchise in 2007. So, and as of today in 2019, people are now trying to figure out better ways to improve, like WhatsApp, 4G, Android, iPads. They're now trying to figure out ways to improve it. So, and because of all of this in 2007, like they are like big success stories because of it. So, really do appreciate you guys listening, and let me know what you guys think. Uh, so I will leave you guys the link for Business Insider, and all these platforms didn't exist 10 years ago. So, but I'll leave you guys a link and the links for our podcast, wherever you guys get your podcast, and we would see you guys in episode 19, guys. Hopefully you guys have a great day. If you guys listen to us now, or you guys listened to us yesterday, wherever you guys listen to us, feel free to subscribe and get the podcast, guys. Trying to grow, and hopefully it is a success. So I would see you guys in episode 19. Hey guys, thanks for listening to today's social podcast. Make sure to subscribe to us on Twitter at tsnakedoc13, and follow us on all social media platforms, and subscribe to us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and wherever else you guys get your podcasts, on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Stitcher, Radio Public, wherever you guys get your podcasts. Feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.